But let's put that aside, right? Because your core question about how do I gain that experience is going to apply to a lot of people, right? So for that, I would say start writing. That's what I did. Because I made the move into data science a while back from a programming background, and the best way to prove it that this stuff is to prove it to yourself and then publish it. So I actually started my own blog many years ago, where I started writing my own articles about data science, and it didn't get a very big audience, but it gave me one, it proved it to myself, and two, it gave me a portfolio to show, to say, hey, this isn't just a school project. I published this, and this is out there right now. So that's what I would suggest to you, to go ahead and start doing your own publishing, your own proof of concept of those skills. And it doesn't have to be anything, overly fancy. I used to make it so that I was publishing every single week. So I would try to write 2 articles ahead of time, and I would write every week. And even just do like straightforward things, like I remember at the particular time when I was writing, I found this like online lottery contest. And what I did was I went and I took and I got the rules, like the terms and conditions, of that contest, and I took it apart from a statistics perspective. Like, here's the odds of winning, here's the odds of winning the top prize, here's the odds of winning the second prize, third prize, and just kind of like tore apart this lottery that was being run online. And like that became an article, right? And I published that. So I would do different things like that, show that you can do the work, get out there and publish. And plus, it's good to kind of get yourself into that habit of publishing and explaining your work, because you're going to have to do that in any job, right? So good luck with that. If you want some mock interviews, I offer mock interviews as a service. Also, you can find that on my Instagram. But you got to stay positive during the job search. So start publishing, start showing yourself that you can do it, and good things will come. All right. All right, so I'm showing still some really good attendance on the YouTube side. Feel free to send me some comments on that. I'd love to put those comments up on the screen. But I got a couple more on Instagram, so let's keep on going on Instagram. Our next comment is from Ratchet. Hey, Ratchet, good morning. Thanks for being here. Really appreciate you being here. Um, Hey, I just completed my undergrad in stats. Congratulations, Ratchet. And I want to pursue natural language processing. Can you suggest a path for this? Um, why? Why natural language processing?